Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2018 Porsche Panamera 4S. This car came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Not seeing any wear and tear at all. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches. So let's take a look now at the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's have a look at the driver's side doors. The front and back door look good. I do see just a small little touch up right there. Let's have a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the back of the car. Okay, the trunk looks fine. I'm not seeing any scratches or dents. The back bumper looks good as well. The only thing I see back here is just a small little paint chip right here. Let's take a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks very good, and the wheel has no curb rash. Alright, let's take a look now at the passenger side doors. The front and back door, they're in good condition. Okay, and now the last fender and wheel. This fender is in good condition as well, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. We're going to start off with the driver's seat. Perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Okay, this door panel is in excellent condition. Let's move on to the back seat. Perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side. Perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Okay, this door panel is in excellent condition as well. Let's have a look at the back seat. Perfect. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This car has navigation, also backup camera. Let's have a look at the center console and make sure that we do not have any wear and tear. That looks perfect. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Okay, the steering wheel is in excellent condition as well. So the interior of this car is in perfect condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.